Hello, here's one more really incredibly useful thing to do in Google Sheets that you might not know. We're actually going to do three things, and one of them is probably something you may not know. What we're going to do is we're going to capitalize each word. We're going to capitalize no words or lowercase. We're going to capitalize all the letters, which is uppercase. So you may know uppercase and lowercase, but you may not know how to capitalize each word because it is literally because it just is a different name in Google Sheets than anywhere else I've ever been able to find. Why we're going to be capitalizing different words, different letters, there's a few reasons. One, article titles. If you are running a newsletter like I am, I have a lot of different article titles that I capture over the course of a week. And when I put them into my newsletter, I want to reformat them to be standard. So using this formula, very simple formula, it saves me like an hour a week from capitalizing or each individual letter of an article title. You can uppercase winners' names if you're doing like some kind of ranking system and you want to make sure that the winner knows they're a winner. You can uppercase them. When you use lowercase, you might want to make something easier to read, or you may want to make it like a subtitle. Oh, uppercase and small letters as well, or text for font. It makes a great subtitle where you may want to bold it or may want to present that text in a different light, but you might want to uppercase it and make it smaller, make it like a subtitle. A lowercase might be easier to read depending on the font. So there's a lot of reasons why. And here's how you do it. So you may take a word like uppercase, and in another cell, you literally use the formula equals upper. So we can do this. We can actually do it on here. Equals UPPER, and then just put the cell, and now we have all caps or capitalized. If we want to do lowercase, we do equals lower, LOWER, and we put the text there, and now everything's lowercase. Now, title case, or capitalizing each word, is the unique one, and it's called proper. Right here, proper, and each letter at the beginning of each word is capitalized. For some reason, this is not called title or title case, where it's uppercase, lowercase. Proper case is not a term that I've been able to find online. And here's some other uses of it, like this. You want to capitalize this I, but like maybe there's some other text there, so you go proper. I'll show you again what it looks like, and this might be lower. This is really useful. Capitalize a bunch of them if a bunch of words were not capitalized. And we can do uppercase here. One more bonus use of this is when you're searching for words. So a lot of times I'll make a little search bar in a Google Sheet. Maybe if we have a database of articles or a database of some kind of keywords, I'll make a search bar. And I'll type in a word, but I don't know what the capitalization people will use. So if you take whatever input they do and lower it, and make sure all of the articles are titles, or whatever database you're doing is also lowercase, then you will never have a problem using query, find, or find where there's some kind of capitalization errors. That really is super useful in that case. If you want to learn how to make searchable databases or searchable parts of your Google Sheets, check out bettersheets.co. Right now, giving away $30 all access. I will never charge you again. If you're watching this a year from now and it's more than $30, I truly am sorry you didn't get to know about it earlier. But check out bettersheets.co. There's still more free tutorials for you to go through at bettersheets.co. Check it out. And we can learn how to do search bars. We can learn how to do databases, how to get that data into your sheet. All great, deep tutorials. I go through projects. I show you how to do it step by step. Please join bettersheets.co.